Mohawk's 3-in-1 repair stick is really easy to use. There are a few different parts. This is the leveling cap. Under that is the Fil-Stik. And on the other side is the paint marker. To use the repair stick, you want to shake it to mix the paint. Make sure you shake it for about 30 seconds to ensure it's really well mixed. After you've shaken your paint and it's well mixed, you want to depress the tip to release any gases, and then depress the tip on a rag just to ensure that the paint flow is coming. So I am working on this scratch. So there is some depth to this imperfection. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use the Fil-Stik. And to use the Fil-Stik, you just want to rub it against the surface of the scratch at about a 45-degree angle and fill it really well. You want to err on the side of overfilling rather than underfilling. And once you have filled the scratch in, then you can use your leveling cap to ensure that it's nice and level. And then wipe off any excess from the surrounding areas with your rag. And you can see that I have really good depth coverage, but I have a little still bit of color that needs to be filled in there. So I'm just gonna do that with the marker portion. And after you rub it on, just blend it with your finger. And that's it. Easy and quick.